afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today's video is going to be slightly different to the videos that I'm used to posting on my channel. What I'm going to try and do in today's video is, for those of you that are looking to come and have a long stay here in Bali, or looking for long-term rental properties, today I'm here in a area called Renon. Now Renon is sandwiched in between Sanur and Denpasar, but what Renon offers, what Sanur doesn't really offer. Sanur is the main tourist hub and offers all of the tourist style accommodations, your hotels, restaurants. You're obviously on the close to the beach at Sanur. Renon, when you move over into Renon offers pure residential areas. So you've got residential areas, you've got government, lots of government buildings also in this area. Renon has its own plaza Renon. Renon has its own parks, lots of nice big parks. Children's play areas, has its own Bintang supermarket. Renon is going to realistically offer you the closest sort of like living environment what you can get as you're used to back home in your own countries. So what I'm going to do in today's video, my friends, this property just to the side of me now, my friends have actually been staying in this property for 2 years. They do have their own 4-bedroom house here. They rented that out for the last 2 years, and they moved to this property. In the next few days they're going to be moving out of this property, and they've given me permission to just show you around. And I wanted to use this just to give you some idea of a comparison between Renon and Sanur, because Sanur, I will tell you now, Sanur, some of the people on YouTube, what they tell you about Sanur is expensive. And the reason why it's expensive is because it's a tourist area. All the properties on the bypass side, on the beach side, hold and carry a premium price, and therefore they're going to be very expensive. If you're looking for a location, you must be close to the beach, must be close to all of the restaurants and all of the tourist facilities, and money is no object, then by all means stay in Sanur. If you're looking for value for money, and you want something that's more natural to your home environment, country, residential area, parks, supermarket, play area. There's a multitude of restaurants also in Renon. There's a lot of good restaurants also in Renon available. I'm going to be introducing Renon in future videos and give you a real in-depth idea to what you can expect to Renon. So what I'm going to do in today's video is, this property, like I say, my friends are moving out in the next few days. They've given me permission. I'm going to show you around. Now this is an old Balinese style property, but it's a very, very big property. And I think for the price what it's available for rent at, it offers very good value for money. All of the properties that you rent here in Bali, the owners are usually acceptable to you making any little cosmetic changes inside. If you want to redecorate, if you want to put new bathrooms, new kitchens, things like that, you can do all of those at relatively small cost. So this is a bit of an older style property, so I'm going to take the camera inside and just give you a general idea of the one property here, an older style Balinese property here in the Renon area. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take you inside and take you around the property here in Renon. Okay, so here's a full view of the house now. It's a very, very big house, this. Here's a street view. You can see it's a residential area. Take you through the gate. So just as soon as we step foot in through the gate, we have a good sized driveway here, parking underneath for car, parking out here for bicycles, motorbikes. Absolutely huge. Got a balcony upstairs for the rooms upstairs. So a good sized area here. We have a temple in the back there. So you can see they're just moving all of the stuff out now, my friends. This temple area in the back here. So it's wooden window frames. I'll take you in through the doorway now. So as soon as we step foot inside, we have these beautiful chandelier type light fittings. The sofas here are my friends. They'll be taking them with them. Just to give you an idea of how it looks. Very, very big space. This is like your living room, dining room area. A cabinet there, that's my friend's. Also the water dispenser. Still look back there. The chandelier's all up above there also. And you have this archway here leading into the kitchen area. So we have some space to the right hand side here, just empty. There's a window there with some curtains. It's a tiled wall. Fridge, freezer, presume that's my friend's. There's a kitchen area. So it's a basic kitchen, tiled surface, some cabinets up above. A stove top here, some cabinets down below. There's your wash basin or sink. These are all my friend's things here on the side. We just have another area here in the back. It's like a laundry area. That there in the back is the maid's room. My friends have a maid. They also have cats. You can see by all the bowls and things lingering around there. There's one of the cats on the floor there. I've like a utility room in this area here. We have another door here. This is leading back out to where we came from. And then just here we have a downstairs bathroom area. We have an outside sink, wash basin. It's a tiled surface again. Mirror on the wall. Just in the back here we have a bathroom. So you're featuring a shower, handheld shower, metal rail, curtain there. Into your toilet. So here's a living room, dining room area as we entered in, and then just turning back here we have a bedroom, which is one of the downstairs bedrooms. Have a good sized bedroom there, windows in the back letting your light in, curtains. Have a double wardrobe there on the set in the wall, air conditioning up above. Let's give you another view or angle on the room. Okay, so back from our first bedroom. Now we're going to make our way up the stairs. Big high ceilings here. Huge balcony area here on the top. Absolutely huge space. There's quite a bit of wasted space actually. So just to the right here is a first bedroom. This one's completely emptied out already. So again, windows in the back. Big treble wardrobe. Not sure whether that's my friend's or whether that's with the property. Very, very basic. You have power points and things all around the sides. Another power point over there also. And just step foot outside, some more power points and things on the balcony there, or on the landing. Have another bedroom in here. Huge doorway here leading out onto the balcony. So here's your balcony area here. There's the street down below. Step back in here now. So you have your light fitting dangling from the ceiling there. Right down into your living room, lounge area down below. Absolutely huge space here on the balcony. Another big window, curtains. Another bathroom area here, outside wash basin, tiled surface again. Power points on the wall there. Have a little bit of a opening here out onto the roof. Not sure what you do with that. The maid uses it as an ironing board and working area. Just to the right here we have another bedroom. Just in here, another double bed. Windows again, curtains. Treble wardrobe. Air conditioning up above. Power points down below. There is actually power point on the side of the bed there. No, there isn't one on the other side of the bed, but there's another angle on your room. And then just turning around here into the side is our entrance into our upstairs bathroom. So up here we have a bathtub. Handheld shower also. All very basic. You can change anything you want in these houses. The owners are usually allow all of that. Toilet, bum wash. Another tap there on the wall. Very old style. And a towel rack rail. Water heater for your hot water. And there's another angle view from this side. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my house tour here in the residential district of Renon area. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video, this is an old style house. However, it's a very, very big house. You've got good sized rooms. It's old, but please take into consideration the price, what you're paying for this. 110 million is the current ask price on this. If you got something this size in Sanur, I guarantee you wouldn't get this for under 300 million. That is just without doubt, maybe even for something of this size property in Sanur. That's the price, is what you'd be expecting to pay. So I just hope that this video, and you really want to give consideration to the Renon area rather than Sanur. If you want to be close to the beach, money is no object, by all means stay in Sanur. If you're looking for value, someone looking for value for money, then I suggest you cast your net further afield and come to the Renon area. Renon is a really, really great location to stay. Like I say, it's a residential area, offers parks, has its own mall, own cinema, has a fabulous Bintang supermarket, great streets. It's just a really good area. So hopefully this video has brought a new area of Bali to your attention, particularly if you're looking for a long-term stay here. And I shall include more about Renon in future videos. Any comments or anything you want to ask, please add it into the comments. I'm always open and willing to answer all of your questions and concerns that you may have. I want to help you. I want to help you enjoy Bali. I want to help you have a good stay here in Bali. If you're looking for long-term, I also want you to have a good long-term stay here in Bali. So on that note, hope you've enjoyed today's video. Hope this video opens your eyes to another area of Bali, and I shall say bye for now.